Hey, Aharon Luke, Aslan's How Organics. This is a quick intro to farm equipment maintenance. This old book I got from my grandmother. It was just like a ledger book, and so I use it for farm maintenance tracking. You can see here she bought some beer, candy, 15 cents. And so I started in 2020 having a log of machines, including animals, and then I've continued on year over year. In 2020, I had these items that I was caring for, so a mower, riding mower, generator, weed eater, and chainsaw. And then in the previous year I had done some work that didn't have to be done again. I didn't do much farming in 2019, nor 2020, last year. I did a little bit more last year, but less in 2019. So some of this tractor work I did with some Clackamas County Juvenile Detention Program youth, the tiller, some later tractor stuff I couldn't get done initially, and then brush hog, push mower, and so this I have on the top here hours that usually these are done in hours, work hours. So hour that the maintenance was done, the duration that is needed until it's done again, and then the hours. So that would be the hours when it's due. And I also kind of keep a date just so I know also when I did it. So you can see here on the tractor, it's got these numeric designations. So I learned kind of early on with my truck at 100,000 miles, like following the instructions are important. So here I actually take the time to go through the instruction manual. So here's just checking out the maintenance sections. This is the mower, this is my gun, PTO shaft, the generator. So working our way down here to the tractor. This is a tractor service manual, and you can see here on the self-service section all these 10-hour things to do. And back over here there's 50-hour, 100-hour, 200, 300, and 600-hour maintenance items. So the tractor actually has an hour, and also has like back here an annual. The tractor has an hour tracking. Instead of having like mileage odometer, it has like a time meter that it watches as it runs. All right, so I think March 7th is going to be the first tractor maintenance day. Might or might not try to record some of that, but give me a shout if you have questions about your farm equipment maintenance.